Imagine sipping on a warm cup of tea, the soothing aroma wrapping around you like a cozy blanket. Now, what if that cup of tea could also provide a powerful boost for your kidney health? Welcome to the world of herbal teas, nature's own pharmacy. In this video, we're diving into the best herbal teas that can improve the health of your kidneys. Be sure to watch until the end, because there's one that I think will surprise you. Number 1. Chamomile Tea. Chamomile tea is renowned for its calming effects and is also beneficial for kidney health. It helps in reducing inflammation and soothing the urinary tract, which can aid in the prevention of kidney stones and infections. The tea has diuretic properties, promoting increased urine production and helping the kidneys flush out toxins more effectively. Additionally, chamomile's antioxidants support overall kidney function and protect against oxidative stress. Its mild, floral flavor makes it a delightful and therapeutic choice for maintaining kidney health and overall wellness. Number 2. Dandelion Tea. Dandelion tea is a powerful herbal remedy known for its liver and kidney detoxifying properties. Rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and potassium, it helps enhance kidney function by acting as a natural diuretic. This promotes the elimination of excess water, salts, and waste from the body. Dandelion tea also supports liver health, which in turn benefits the kidneys. Its slightly bitter taste can be balanced with a touch of honey, making it a refreshing and health-boosting beverage. Number 3. Horsetail Tea. Horsetail tea is an excellent choice for supporting kidney health due to its natural diuretic properties. This ancient herb helps increase urine output, aiding the kidneys in flushing out toxins and reducing the risk of kidney stones. Rich in silica, horsetail tea also supports the health of connective tissues, including those in the kidneys. Additionally, it possesses antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which contribute to overall kidney health. With a mild, earthy flavor, horsetail tea can be enjoyed as a soothing drink while promoting renal function and overall well-being. Number 4. Green Tea. Green tea is well known for its numerous health benefits, including its positive effects on kidney health. Rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, green tea helps protect the kidneys from oxidative damage and reduces inflammation. Its mild diuretic effect aids in flushing out toxins and preventing kidney stones. Additionally, green tea supports cardiovascular health, which is closely linked to kidney function. The light, refreshing taste of green tea makes it a popular and enjoyable beverage for those looking to maintain healthy kidneys and improve overall health. Number 5. Nettle Leaf Tea. Nettle Leaf Tea is a potent herbal remedy known for its detoxifying and anti-inflammatory properties. It acts as a natural diuretic, promoting increased urine production and helping the kidneys eliminate waste and toxins efficiently. Rich in vitamins A and C as well as iron and potassium, nettle leaf tea supports overall kidney health and can help reduce the risk of kidney stones. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties aid in soothing the urinary tract. With a grassy, slightly earthy flavor, nettle leaf tea is both nourishing and beneficial for maintaining optimal kidney function. Number 6. Ginger Tea. Ginger tea is celebrated for its robust flavor and numerous health benefits, including its positive impact on kidney health. It contains powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. Ginger tea also supports digestion and can help reduce nausea, which is beneficial for individuals with kidney issues. Its mild diuretic effects assist in flushing out toxins and maintaining healthy kidney function. The spicy, warming taste of ginger tea makes it a delightful and therapeutic drink for promoting overall kidney health and wellness. Number 7. Holy Basil Tea. Holy Basil Tea, also known as Tulsi Tea, is revered in traditional medicine for its wide range of health benefits, including its positive effects on kidney health. This herbal tea possesses strong antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and adaptogenic properties that help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. Holy Basil Tea also supports the body's natural detoxification processes and helps in maintaining proper fluid balance, reducing the risk of kidney stones. Its unique, slightly spicy and sweet flavor makes it a refreshing and health-boosting beverage for supporting overall kidney function and wellness. Number 8. Sambang Tea. Sambang Tea is a traditional herbal remedy widely used in Southeast Asia for its diuretic and anti-urolithic properties. It helps enhance urine production, aiding the kidneys in expelling waste and preventing the formation of kidney stones. Sambang Tea also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which support kidney health and protect against damage. This herbal tea is particularly beneficial for individuals prone to urinary tract infections and kidney stones. Its mild, slightly bitter taste can be enjoyed daily as a natural way to promote kidney function and overall health. Number 9. Goldenrod Tea. Goldenrod tea is known for its impressive diuretic and anti-inflammatory properties, making it an excellent choice for kidney health. It helps increase urine flow, which aids the kidneys in flushing out toxins and reducing the risk of kidney stones. Goldenrod also has antiseptic qualities that can help prevent and treat urinary tract infections. Its antioxidant content supports overall kidney function and protects against oxidative damage. With a mildly sweet and slightly bitter flavor, goldenrod tea is a soothing and beneficial beverage for maintaining healthy kidneys and supporting the body's natural detoxification processes. Number 10. Juniper Berry Tea. Juniper Berry Tea is a potent herbal remedy celebrated for its detoxifying and diuretic properties. It promotes increased urine production, helping the kidneys eliminate waste and toxins more efficiently. Juniper Berry Tea also has strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, which protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. Additionally, it supports overall urinary tract health and can help prevent infections. With its distinct pine-like flavor, Juniper Berry Tea is a refreshing and therapeutic drink for enhancing kidney function and promoting overall health and wellness. Number 11. Marshmallow Root Tea. Marshmallow Root Tea is known for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties, making it beneficial for kidney health. It helps protect the urinary tract by forming a protective layer over the mucous membranes, reducing irritation and inflammation. Marshmallow Root Tea also promotes increased urine production, aiding the kidneys in flushing out toxins and preventing the formation of kidney stones. Its mild, slightly sweet flavor makes it a comforting and effective herbal remedy for supporting kidney function and overall urinary tract health. Number 12. Corn Silk Tea. Corn Silk Tea is a traditional remedy used to support kidney and urinary tract health. It acts as a natural diuretic, helping to increase urine output and assist the kidneys in eliminating waste and excess fluids. Corn Silk Tea also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that protect the kidneys from damage and reduce the risk of infections. With its mild, slightly sweet taste, Corn Silk Tea is a gentle and beneficial beverage for promoting healthy kidney function and maintaining overall urinary tract health. Number 13. Hydrangea Root Tea. Hydrangea Root Tea is a powerful herbal remedy valued for its ability to support kidney health and prevent the formation of kidney stones. It helps dissolve existing stones and prevents new ones from forming by breaking down calcium deposits. Hydrangea Root Tea also has diuretic properties that promote increased urine flow, aiding the kidneys in flushing out toxins. Its anti-inflammatory effects further support kidney function and overall urinary tract health. With a subtle, earthy flavor, Hydrangea Root Tea is an effective and natural way to enhance kidney health. But now that you've journeyed through the world of herbal teas, it's clear that these natural remedies can offer significant benefits for kidney health. From Dandelion Tea's gentle detoxifying effects to Nettle Tea's rich nutrient profile, incorporating these teas into your routine can be a simple yet effective way to support your kidneys. Remember, while herbal teas can complement a healthy lifestyle, they are not a substitute for medical treatment. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or health regimen, especially if you have pre-existing conditions or on medication. Here's to sipping your way to better kidney health, one cup at a time. Be sure to watch some of our other helpful videos that are popping up on your screen right about now. And just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. Have a nice day, and thanks for watching.